everyone, it's Tiffany. I am here with the Playmobil Fairies playset. I want to thank Playmobil for sending this to me to open up with you guys today. I'm loving the little unicorns and the fairies and their little tree canopy. It's amazing. Let me go ahead and flip this around so we could take a closer look at the back. There we go. It looks like we might get those gems. I didn't think we would, but here's a look at all of the pieces that we get. This is definitely going to be a super fun activity, something you totally do as a family too. Let's get this out of the box and start building it. Here we have all of the pieces out of the box, and we have our instruction manual, and we will be going through this and building it. It doesn't look too complicated, just lots of trees and vines. So let's go ahead and start building. Before we take a look at the finished playset, I wanted to show you this card that came with the stones. It has a little meaning with every different stone, and then here I just wanted to show you the stones. I'm just going to spill them out. I think this is such a nice addition to the playset. I love it. Here it is, you guys. It was tricky. I predicted it to be a little tricky to build just because of all the greenery and finding where it goes. And I'm sure I missed a few pieces here and there or put them in the wrong spots, but I don't care. It looks wonderful. I love the canopy up in the sky. I love, oh, it looks like the peacock fell over. Come back, little guy. There you go. I love everybody here. The only problem I had, I'm sure this would only be a problem for a handful of people, but I couldn't get, oh, there I just knocked everybody over. I couldn't get this on him. I know I need to take the head off to get it off. I couldn't get his head off, so he's just gonna be normal right now. He tried a potion and it made him normal. His wings just fell off. But I love these guys. They're so awesome. She has beautiful golden hair, and I love her. She's like the queen. They have a little, this is my favorite. It has little mushrooms on it, and there's unicorns over there. There's so much magic running through this playset. I absolutely love it. Click the card on the screen to watch more videos like this one. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.